Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss file system, its usage and limitations, and the difference between file system and database management systems. Let's now discuss what is file system. A file system is a collection of raw data files stored permanently in a storage medium like hard disk, and the files are created and manipulated by writing programs by users. File system helps in organizing the files and retrieval of files whenever they are required to be accessed. Usually, file system organizes the files by grouping into directories, whereas directories can contain other folders and files. In file system, files are most often organized in a hierarchical order so that the users can view the files in the current directory and then navigate into any subdirectories as shown in this figure. Here in this figure, we can notice that files are grouped into user directories and one or more user directories are grouped into master file directory. In addition to file organization, file system performs other basic operations such as file management, file naming, and giving access rules to users. However, in file processing system, the following problems occurs: data redundancy and inconsistency, difficulty in accessing data, data isolation, integrity problems, atomicity problems, and security problems. So, the above limitations of the file system can efficiently be addressed in database management systems. Let's now discuss the differences between database management system and file systems. A database management system is a software designed to assist in maintaining and utilizing large collections of data, whereas file system is the part of OS and organizes a collection of raw data files that is stored into hard disk. In database management system, the user is not required to write any procedures for maintaining the database, whereas in file system, the user has to write the procedures for managing database. Database system gives an abstract view of data that hides the details of the data representation and storage of data, whereas file system provides the details of data representation and storage of data. Hence, it does not give abstract view of data. Database management system provides a crash recovery mechanism that protects the data from the system failure or crash. File system does not have a crash mechanism, so the content of the file will be lost in case of the system failure. Database system provides higher data consistency using normalization techniques, whereas file system has data inconsistency. Database management system contains a wide variety of sophisticated techniques to easily store and retrieve the data, whereas file system can't efficiently store and retrieve the data. Database management system can easily implement transaction processing techniques, whereas a file system does not provide support for transaction processing. Database management system takes care of concurrent access of data using some form of locking protocols, whereas file system does not offer concurrent access of data. The examples for database management system are MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle. The examples for file system are NFTS and extended file system.